Right then everyone, it has come to that part where we are going to announce the next theme from each category. First of all, a massive well done to the final 14 of you in this process. We are getting closer to that end part with the grand final. So guys, well done to you all. You've all done amazing so far, but we want to see you keep pushing. So what we are going to do now, we are going to give you the challenges, the themes set out for each category this week. And of course, Kelly, myself and Louise will explain a bit more what we expect from you, right? So Louise, what is your theme for your category this week, and tell them a bit about it.
So my theme this week is a bit of a tricky one. It is around the world. So basically what I want you to do is go and find a song that is produced from inspiration from a different country. So as an example, songs like Despacito, Livin' La Vida Loca, they are kind of Spanish influenced. Things like Waka Waka by Shakira is African influenced. So thinking along those lines, I mean, you can even do an acoustic version of Gangnam Style if you really wanted to, you know, but I want you to really dig deep, find different songs. It is a challenging theme, and I'm here if any of you want some advice or some help. I'm here to help you. I'm just a message away. But I want you to put your own stamp on it. Don't just take, you know, Despacito, learn the Spanish and sing it. You know, if you want to change the words and put your own stamp on it and make it completely your own, that is absolutely fine. But really go above and beyond to bring what you know you can do to the table. So good luck.
Kelly, your theme, and explain a little bit about it.
Okay, so my theme this week is Inspire. Okay, it's Inspire Week. I want you to find a song that basically inspires you. It could be, you know, the message behind the song, it could be the artist who sings the song, but this way we get to see a little bit, it gives us a little bit of insight into you, your personality, the kind of thing that you like, where you want to go, which direction you want to go in. So I just want to really see a piece of you, to be honest. That's what I want you to put into these themes. And I really want to see you embrace the themes this week, because I've been a little bit disappointed with some of the performances. You haven't actually changed anything up this week, so please really get your teeth into this and sort of like lay yourself bare for this challenge. So yeah, Inspire week.
So my theme this week is something I've been wanting to see from all of you, because I know there is still a few of you that are holding back slightly. So what I actually want to do is quite simply blow your voice to the extremes. I want you to showcase off your ability at its finest. I want to see you push as far as you can go. It doesn't necessarily mean you've got to belt everything out, but I want to see you at your best. Whatever you feel is the best parts of your voice, I want to see it at its best, all right? I want you to showcase yourself at its best. And something else I'm going to add on top of the challenge this week, I mean, to be honest, I would give this to all of the categories really, but I want to see everyone making 100% effort in these videos. I want to see, you know, like what I tend to see a little bit now in Louise's category and myself, and maybe one or two in Kelly's, is people are actually really taking advantage of their backgrounds, maybe green screen, and I know some people haven't got access to that, but if you have got access, use it to your advantage. The two side views recorded, so record your video twice, two versions of it, but one on the side and one forward. There's so much that can be done to make these videos stand out throughout, you know, when they go up online, and that's what we want, and I'm sure that's what you want yourself. So that's something I want to add on top of mine too. 100% everyone in my category, you've got to do it. End of. That's what I want to see, because I want to see the best of your videos coming up online. Showcase your voice to the max and literally give everything into these videos, right?
Can I add something?
Yeah?
Can I just say that, you know, you've got the added bonus here of not having to perform live. So, you know, when you perform live, if you make a mistake, there's nothing you can do about it. But please take advantage of the fact that you are videoing these performances, so you get to actually watch back your performance, and please listen back to it, and if it's pitchy, please work on it, because that will help you in the long run. If you can detect where you've gone off pitch, that will benefit you in the long run as well, rather than us having to sit in and say, it was pitchy here, it was pitchy there. You need to be learning this for yourself, because that's the only way you're going to grow. So please take advantage of the fact that you get to watch your voice every day.
Yeah, completely agree. I mean, we need to see effort, guys. You know, like sometimes some of you were sending your performances 3 o'clock on Friday. Now we need them in before that. We need them prepared. So you've got a whole week. Don't leave them till last minute. Get them done, get them rehearsed, get them recorded, get them done and get them sent over. The sooner you get them over, the better. So please be prepared, because we are halfway now and we want to see you up in your game, because like I said, there's 14 of you left and it's a strong lineup. Any of you can go. If you want to be in this to the end, you've got to put the work in. So we want to see it from this point out, all right? Next week is theme week 3. You've been given your themes. Come out, bring it, listen to all the advice we've given you and just come out and smash it. Well done, final 14.